Namaste, Jai Hind. I am Parvesh Kumar from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ahmedabad, Kent, and today I am going to express my views on online classes and the lockdown. No more friends, no more class, no more teachers to correct our class, no one in the street, no one in the ground. All were better safe in the lockdown. This above line correctly suits the situation prevailing in the initials of April. There was a huge uncertainty about how the academics would continue in this pandemic. Coronavirus was the centrifugal force around which all the activities at that time were revolving, and that too totally uncertain. The cancellation of exams, the way of declaration of result, all which have never occurred, was happening. This was giving sight to an unpredictable environment and something even more. We were confined in our homes like never before. The company of our friends was restricted to messages and calls. We all were treating in a situation which we never dreamed of and we never wished to face was prevailing. This situation was even more dangerous than the calamities and the wars we had faced. But never to lose hope is human nature. We have always completed and came out victoriously of any difficult situation, and this was the only condition out for this pandemic too. The whole world stood united against and fought against the invisible enemy, none other than COVID 19. We could never stop, and we, with our never ending aspirations and needs, found alternative for many of our routine works. The theory of work from home was introduced. The academics started like never before with online classes. There were challenges and difficulties in adapting a new way and a new system of conduction of classes, but we had to start. We started and we faced many hurdles in the way of online educations, but we came out successful in tackling those hurdles. Once we initiated, we came across the advantages of e-learning and online classes. As like always, in the initial phase of a new beginning, we are usually driven by the joy of starting something new and conveyed the advantages of online classes, such as time saving, to study in accordance with personal space, to study in accordance with our personal pace, and the use of modern technology which develops our existing knowledge. We have never thought that gadgets which were used for entertainment could be once our the method to education. They would be our class and they would be our teachers. But soon the concept of nothing beats original and everything has its own importance and significance was evident and as clear as crystal. We soon realized that the concept of daily holiday was nothing more than a castle in air. Till the completeness of June, we were growing impatient to get to school, to enjoy the company of our peers, to get on the field and enjoy the energetic environment of Vidyalaya. But we were the sailor without the paddle. We were compelled to sail in the direction of the river, or say, the situation demands. We had realized the importance, significance of lack of warmth, of personal touch, the peer group, the environment of Vidyalaya, the energy of uniform, the ground, and everything which we had taken for granted. The activities over which we all commented lazily were being running through our eyes, taking us back to the flashback. Waking up early in the morning, getting ready to school, getting to school, discussion at the break, awaiting of 2:10 at the clock, all which appeared usual and boring. Today is that is being admired. Activities which we wish to be delegated, today we are desperate to attend those activities and are hoping for the best situation. Meanwhile, this COVID 19 lockdown has taught us many valuable lessons. Environment should be protected. The basic needs of humans are very limited. The reduction in pollution level of Ganga evidently explains the role of humans in environment degradation. Are a very few examples. Moreover, in this lockdown, we have been in contact with our families and friends more frequently, which were somewhere lagging behind in the fast changing world. At last, I would conclude and end on a very high note that this is the time when humans should get serious to protect the environment and to protect ourselves' future. Thank you, Jai Hind.